Happy Earth Day, kids! Alright, so today we are doing a fun art project for Earth Day to celebrate. And so let me tell you what you need. All you need is a coffee filter, 3 colors of washable markers, green for the land, and blue for the water, and pink for the heart in the middle. Then you're going to need a paper for your background. Any color will do, any kind. It can just be a piece of copy paper if that's what you have around the house. Always use what you have. Alright, so, and a glue stick. Alright, and a water bottle. Or you can just splash water on it with your hand. So let me show you how it's done. So you're going to basically create this, you're going to make this filter into the earth. So you're going to color around on it, color the land, color the ocean, and then I'm going to show you something cool that happens when you spray water on it. So let me back this up so that you can see what I'm doing. Alright guys, I'm just going to go fast. You guys take your time on it, and remember, always use something underneath. So I just had this old plate, and I put that underneath so I wasn't getting my mom's table all messy. So, actually my table, but so you can use placemat or a paper plate would be fine too. That way you don't get messed on the table because it will bleed through. Alright, so I'm just going to color in here. And you want to color most of your coffee filter. And I'm just going to not be super exact here. I'm going to use the heart in the middle, and this is totally optional. This is your art, so the cool thing about art and about theme is you kind of just make it your own. So I just put a heart in the middle, but you want to have some green in there, and you want to have some blue. And then what's really cool with you're going to see something really cool happen when you put that water on it. So I'm going to kind of do this fast so that you don't have to sit here and watch me color. And then I just got some green on there, and then I'm going to color. You take your time, guys, on this. But I'm going to color the rest of it. And it's okay if you have some white. Something really cool is going to happen here in a second. So just keep coloring and try to get most of the white background there. But if you have some white in the background, that's fine. Just keep coloring. Just keep coloring. Just keep coloring. Just keep coloring. Okay. So I've got a little bit of green, I've got a little bit of water. So the green represents the land, and then the blue represents the water, and then the heart represents Earth Day, how we love our Earth. So then what I'm going to do, lightly spray, boys and girls, lightly spray. If you spray too much and you soak it, you're going to ruin the art project and you have to redo it. So real light spray. I would just even spray and wait for a second. You're going to see something really cool that happens with those colors. They're going to start to blend together. And I'm just going to kind of focus here. Now, as you put it on there, it's going to blend those colors together, and it's going to look really, really cool. And so, this project is so see how it's all like blended together. So this project is done in 2 parts. So you're going to want to do and you may want to wear gloves, but my markers are washable, so. And then if you pick it up, it'll blend it even more. I'm going to show you here on the camera. Look how cool that is. Whoa. So this is your little earth that you made. And see how it didn't really matter that it wasn't so exact with the colors, and if I left a little bit of white because it blended in really well. So I'm going to put it back on my plate to dry. Now, you may want to put it on a clean plate to dry. And then after it's dry, what you're going to do is you're going to place it on this paper. And at the top, you're going to write, and we're going to do that right now. And then I'm going to pause the video and wait for it to dry, and then I'll come back with magic of video. So on the top, I want you to write Happy Earth Day, and you can use fancy letters if you want. And then in the middle right here, I'll show you in a sec here. Okay, so I wrote Happy Earth Day on the top. And then right here is where you're going to glue your earth. And at the bottom, I want you to write how you would help your earth. So you can actually do this part while you're waiting for the first part of the art to dry. Okay, so while you're waiting for your earth to dry. So you're going to start out, I will help the earth by, and then I want you to tell me what you're going to do to help the earth. And try to have more than one sentence. That's your second grade. Everything's second grade. Almost third graders. So, I will help the earth by, and then finish your sentence. Have a couple of things that you can do at home to help the earth. Remember we talked about saving electricity. We talked about throwing away your trash. We talked about using less water or using less things. Reusing things again is another way that you can help the earth. But think about those things that we talked about, and then go ahead and write about it on here. And then I'm going to come back in just a minute with the magic of video, and I'm going to show you when it's all dry and put together so you can see the final product. Alright guys, well have fun, and we'll see you back in just a couple of minutes. Or seconds. Whoa, look at that, magic of video. Alright, so I'm back and it is completely dried. So it's kind of interesting when it dried, my heart really blurred a lot there. And all those colors really did blend very well together after it dried. A little tip, if you want it to dry faster, you could use, and I just did this too, you can use a blow dryer on it, and it'll make it dry really, really quick. It literally took like 1 minute. So, but you do need help from the parents for that. So. Alright, so it's dry. Do not try to glue this when it's not dry because it's going to rip your paper and then you're going to be all upset. So all your hard work will be ruined. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and put glue on it. And just find whichever side you like better. And you can put glue on the opposite side that way. Random glue. Put glue on the side you don't like, I guess. That way. And I'm just going to put it all the way around. Across the middle here. Make sure you get the edges really nicely. You can use liquid glue for this too. So just got glue on there on the back here. And I'm going to place it on my Earth Day journal that I wrote, my Earth Day art background that I've been working on while I was waiting for my stuff to dry and not fast forwarding with the blow dryer. Alright guys, so there you have it. Look at how cool that is. I love it. So this is the Earth Day art project. I hope you have fun with it. And I am so excited to see all the cool ways that you're going to help the earth. Alright, bye guys. Happy Earth Day.